So, Dr. Spence, you started the program Denim Day a few years ago. Why did you feel it was important to bring it here to Spelman campus?
Well, I'm not sure if there was a Denim Day before. We did it as an initiative coming out of the Violence Against Women class, but there may have been. But I know that in my course, Violence Against Women, of course, we focus on issues, a variety of issues that women are confronted with on a day-to-day basis, from microaggressions to macroaggressions. And those macroaggressions are in the form of sexual assault and rape. And so many of our students were very much interested in trying to create a way to stand in solidarity with women all over the world around sexual assault and rape. And so the students actually in the Violence Against Women class decided that they wanted to host a Denim Day. And so we did it through the auspices of the Violence Against Women's class. Many of my students are also women's studies majors, and so in all of our efforts we've always joined with the Women's Research and Resources Center under the direction of Dr. Beverly Sheftal, Dr. Bahati Kumba, and all of the other faculty members who really are very much interested in making certain that Spelman College, as a women's institution, is always doing our very best to help our young women understand their connectedness to women all over the world, and to understand that we must stand in solidarity with women, particularly when women are victims of various forms of violence against women. This Denim Day experience at Spelman has just been phenomenal in terms of the number of students as well as faculty and students who've said, I want to be a part of it, even if it's just wearing a t-shirt or if it's wearing a button, I want to come to speak out, because they were in fact incensed by the facts of the case. And the case being the case of the young Italian woman who brought charges of rape. She alleged that her driving instructor had in fact sexually assaulted her. When the case went before Italian jurists, one of the judges said that it's impossible for you to have been raped because you were wearing those tight jeans. And this has incensed women all over the world, and clearly as Spelman women read the account, many of them have come to me and said, oh my God, I didn't know something like this could happen. And what I said to them is, this happens every day. We gave them a very blatant case of violation where there was victim blaming, but we know this happens every day, and it's not just in the courts of law, but in the courts of public opinion. Many times young women are questioned about their behavior, their dress, their knowledge, whether or not they knew someone or not. And what our young women need to understand is that they should always feel very confident in saying that no means no. And if they're